Hello students, today we are going to study about science and technology for class 10 standard, and the name of the chapter is heredity and evolution. So we all know that all living species which are present on this earth, the main feature of living beings is to reproduce. There are different characteristics of living beings, but the most important characteristics of living being is what? To reproduce. And due to reproduction only, number of species are found on this earth. It may be of animals or it may be of plants. So some examples we are going to take. So for example, kittens will produce a cat. So what do you mean by kittens? A small baby of cats. Next is pups will produce, or they are produced by dogs. A small baby of dog is called as what? Pups. Then pea seeds. Pea seeds. वाटाण्याचं जे बी असतं त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? पी सीड्स म्हणतो. So from these pea seeds, what will germinate? Pea plant will germinate. Understood? Next is mango seed. Mango seed means what? I think you must have eaten mango in this summer season. So mango seed will germinate mango plant. So these are the different species, but they will reproduce. So in particular species have particular characters. So particular species will have particular characteristics and but have some differences. So these kittens will produce cat, but the characters may pass from these kittens to produce cat, but exactly it won't be same. Means what? There will be difference. Character will be passed, but it will show some differences that cannot be observed externally basically, but there is some difference. This you have to keep it in mind. So here character means what? Heredity. Character means what? Heredity. And difference means what? Variation. So difference is caused. For example, this is our father, this is our father, and this is mother. So these are what? Parents. And a child will be formed. Child will be formed. So this child will get characteristics from father plus characteristics from mother. Understood? So half characteristics will come from father and half characteristics will come from mother. This you have to keep in mind. So characters are passed. What is passed? Characters are passed. But exactly it will also have some difference. It will not look exactly like father or exactly like mother, same to same. Understood? It won't be a carbon copy or duplicate copy. Understood? So what is heredity? So transfer of biological characteristics. Transfer of biological characteristics from one generation to another. So this is what? This is first generation. And this is second generation. So transfer of biological characteristics or characters from one generation to another via genes. Now what is genes? So genes, we know that all living beings or living things are made up of cells, and inside the cell nucleus is present, and inside the nucleus chromosomes are present. If we try to unfold a chromosome, we will know that it consists of DNA, and small structure of DNA is called as genes, and it has a coding between that. After, in next lecture, we are going to see that. So what do you mean by variation? Difference between parents and offspring. So there will be some differences between what? Parents and offspring. So these are the parents, this is the offspring. So it will not be exactly same. Why it would not be exactly same? Due to variation. Understood? Due to variation, it won't be same. Next is what? What is genetics? So genetics means what? It is a branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity and variation. So study of heredity, study of variation is called as genetics. Understood? So this genetics, the term was coined by William Batson in 1906. So who coined the term genetics? It was coined by William Batson in 1906, and from Greek word genesis. And what do you mean by genesis? So to grow into, understood, to form a new thing. This you have to put in mind. So we know that in 9th standard that who is the father of genetics? So George John Mendel. George John Mendel is the father of genetics. He have studied physics, mathematics, and plus natural sciences. He was born in 1922 and he died in 1884. So you please write down this. Next we will see.